I had a post about Geofire with Android before, and I think I wanted to look at some other ways for searching by location, which by using Algolia search today. So what they offer is a great search, and for all the different APIs and platforms, not only Firebase, but so basically how it works is they store data on their server, and they index it using the data you search. So besides the data stored on your Firebase, you keep it on their servers. This way you make quick search queries, but you lose one of the pros of Firebase, which is real time, but you still get the simplicity of Firebase. So for example, with the Geofire, you've got lots of pain in the neck setting up all this stuff, especially if you're doing everything manually without any libraries. Sometimes you don't even need the real-time updates of location. You just open the app and you don't stare at the screen for like an hour. Maybe updates are not that often, and you don't really care about real-time updates. You just want the simplicity of Firebase. And let's see how we set it up. Using this dependency for Android, and create a profile and project at algolia.com. Add new index. I have a users index. Initiate a Algolia client with the API keys, and then simply when you create a user, I just added this method for adding it to Algolia index. They need that geolocation field, and they have their own object IDs, which I set in here. So they just add this field, and object ID I use from Firebase ID. So that's it. Just copy each model you save to Algolia, and then instead of all that spaghetti Firebase Geofire code, you just have this simple query around my location with just a huge radius, and then get the index of users using search query. You retrieve the JSON of all the users, and they sorted by distance, ascending distance already, and that's it. Just a few lines instead of huge Geofire code, but you don't have the real-time updates. So you can combine the Algolia simplicity with the real-time Firebase. You can use both in the same application. And if you need a source code, you can find it under video, link to the repository, and Algolia branch over there. Main is with the Geofire. Also, as you see, I save a user to Firebase and Algolia on Android client. If you have a Firebase admin SDK server, you can handle it just in the backend and just use some endpoint or something, or Firebase triggers if you have a paid Firebase client account. Yeah, check that out. It's free for some restrictions, like, and they ask to add their logo if you're using free price plan to get the logo by the search. But yeah, right, that's it.